What's up, it's Toya. Welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays! You guys want more hair content? I am here to give it to you. This is a hair tutorial. Type 4 hair is what I have, but if you have a different type, this should still work for you. I didn't use any heat on it. You really don't need a lot of tools or products. Really, the essentials are some type of moisturizer, some rubber bands, and a really good parting comb. Outside of that, I think you guys will enjoy this. It looks a lot more complicated than it actually is, but I am also very proud of this, and the headband is optional. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy. Happy holidays.
Alright, so what you'll need. We've got some hair gel, some water, rubber bands, small and black are preferred, some straight pins, a hair moisturizer of your choice, ouchless hair tie, wide tooth comb, brush, hair oil, a flexible headband, and some lock jewelry, optional. So let's get started. Hey, so I'm going to start with my hair stretched. I'm using a wide tooth comb, and you want to part your hair in 4 sections. The first section is going to be at the front, next is at the back, and then 2 side sections above the ear. Essentially, I'm creating an X in my head, with each of the sections being the space between the X. It's going to create these triangular looking sections. So to keep the hair out of the way, you just want to secure them with some type of clip or hair tie. We're going to work with one section at a time. So I like to apply oil to my hairline, especially when I know I'm going to add gel. It just helps to keep my hairline as healthy as possible. Of course, I want to moisturize each section, especially for any protective hairstyle. And so taking each section, we're going to divide it into 3 parts. That's going to take 2 horizontal parts per section. So the first section of hair is going to be closest to the hairline, and you want to make a ponytail with the rubber bands. The second section is going to be right above that. And the third section, make another ponytail at the crown of your head. So you have 3 ponytails per section. So a tail comb is best. I found mine. And parting is going to be so much easier. So I'm going to repeat the same steps per section. Just take your brush and smooth it if you need to. So again, taking that rubber band, creating a ponytail. So your head should be covered in 12 very neat ponytails. So now taking the loose hair from each ponytail, you're going to twist it. A 2-strand twist is perfectly fine. You will end up looking a little bit like a little girl, but this hairstyle is actually great for people of all ages. So you've got 12 little ponytails. So working with that first section, you're going to braid the twist together from hairline to crown, basically creating a cornrow. Now you secure that braid with one of your rubber bands, and you're going to repeat this with each section. So you'll basically end up with 4 cornrows. Then take an ouchless hair tie. Ouchless means no metal, and you're going to use the ponytail holder to gather the braids at the crown. Taking some straight pins, you're going to lay and tuck the braids to create a high bun. Now this is the part that makes it look more complicated than it actually is. I think when you put twists in a bun, it just makes it look funky and complex when really it's very easy. It creates a kind of elegance that I like. So apply gel to your front hairline. Now this is completely optional and I am no expert at this, but you want to smooth the edges down. And I'm even creating a little swoop with my sideburns. There's many tutorials on YouTube. You can definitely see how to do this. So put on a scarf to set your gel, especially if you have type 4 hair. Edges don't lay as easily. Then you remove the scarf after 10 minutes and apply your headband. So I'm actually using this headband as decoration at the base of the bun. You can even use some lock jewelry on those cornrows. Now for the headband, it was from H&M. You'll have to go in the store to see if you find it because I could not find it online. And these lock cuffs were found on Amazon. I'll link them. I actually ended up removing the lock jewelry though. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed. Looks complex but very simple to do. I hope you give it a try. Mwah! Happy holidays. If you like this tutorial, check out my playlist on the screen. I also have some fashion related videos that you can check out as well. I hope you enjoyed and I will see you next Thursday. Bye!